Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hacks. After finishing the post and comments service, now is the time to start working on our React application. In this diagram, on the right side, you can see the general component design of our application in the hierarchical form. On the left side, you can see mockup of our application which I discussed in detail in our first video of this playlist. At the very top, app is our root component. We are then going to have a post create component. The post create component is going to show this form right here. Well, then we also have a post list component. This component is going to render everything on the bottom half of the page. The post list is going to be in charge of showing the actual post themselves. And for every post, we will also show a comment list and comment create component. Comment list is going to be in charge of rendering out a list of components that are already associated with the post. And then comment create. This component is going to be a form through which we can create a number of comments correspond to a post. Alright, so that's our component design. Now switch to Visual Studio. This is the Visual Studio. Make sure you are inside client directory. Open the terminal and firstly we are going to install Axios package. I have already installed it. Let me rerun the command. With this module, we can make the requests to our Express APIs. Once the installation is done, then click on the source folder. I have already deleted all the boilerplate code. Now I am going to create fresh JS files. Firstly, I am going to create index.js file, then app.js file. Let me change its case to uppercase. Okay. Now we are going to write our main component inside app.js file. We are then going to import this component inside index component where we will show the actual DOM. At the top, we are going to import React. And then we will make a export. And for now, I am going to return div with some sample text. Okay. Let's save the changes. And in order to remove this warning, I am just going to disable checking. Okay. Now is the time to switch to index file. In this file, firstly, we are going to import React and React DOM module. Secondly, I am going to import our root module. Save this. And then finally, we will do React DOM dot render. Here we are going to pass our newly created component. According to this code, we are going to show code of app component inside an element having ID root. You can verify the same code inside index.html file. Here you can look for and div with ID root. This is a place where all the code our app component is going to display. Now save all the changes. Now we are going to run our application again. So type command npm start, hit enter. In the browser, you can see that our application is up and running. So that's it from this video. In upcoming video, we will create different components based on the mockup that I showed earlier. Thanks for watching.